Hi guys! Good morning, good morning, good morning! Again, this is Momshie Venus. And this time I'm gonna share with you what I'm going to do on my 5 days off. Well, today it's my first day and my first destination, my refrigerator. Ayan, so ayan, maglilinis ako ng refrigerator para ready na bukas for Thanksgiving. Yes, and by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Ayan, so come on, let's start. Now we have to take out everything. My God, Pilipino nga kami kasi meron kaming Yakult. And then this bagoong, ayan, naka-refrigerator din siya. A lot of junk. Alam mo yung pag busy ka, lagay ka lang ng lagay dyan sa refrigerator, hindi mo naisip na, oh my God, it's full and messed up. Pickled ampalaya, the cream cheese, of course the kimchi. Ayan, so tanggalin ko lahat, then i-wash ko lang yung yung bawat layer, and then I have to put it back kasi baka masira, sayang, di ba? Okay. So kaya kayo mga Momshie, make sure check nyo kung yung mga expired or hindi na expired, at yung mga dapat itapon na lang para mas malinis, o di ba? Ayan, yung refrigerator namin meron ding tuyo. Ayan, so I just have to clean it up and I'll show you how will it look like after after an hour or so. Madugo tong labanan na to. Okay,
a few moments later.
so ayan, natanggal ko na lahat ng mga laman ng ref. You can see, maghuhugas na ako ng yung mga layer na yan, whatever. So I'm gonna wash this with soap and water. Hindi pa pala ako tapos mag-alwas. Alam niyo yung mag-alwas? Sa Tagalog, magtanggal ng laman. So now I need to wash it. Sabi ko kay Popsy, bakit ayaw naman na? Hindi pala naka-on. i-dry lang natin siya. And then mamaya, ibabalik natin isa-isa. So there are like 4 of this. Ayan. Boom, 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 boom. So now I just have to wipe everything in here before I put back the glass in here. Ayan. I don't see. Ayan. Parang ano, tagal kong hindi nilinis to, samantalang kailan mo ko naglinis? Last summer. Alam nyo na mga momshie dito, busy. Kaya ayan. Pero anyway, we'll get there. Tapos ito, tatanggalin ko rin lahat yan. Tatapon ko yung mga dapat itapon. Itapon na yung mga dapat itapon. Diba? I-let go muna. Let go. Let them go. Set them free. Ayan. Hindi na sila babalik. Ganon. Ganon. Peace. So guys, I'm almost done. So, as you can see guys, ayan na yung aking refrigerator. Medyo organized na siya. So now, pinagtatanggal ko na yung mga dapat tanggalin. Ang dami. Kasi, lagay lang ng lagay. So, hindi mo namamalayan, nag-accumulate na pala yung laman ng ref. So, maybe in an hour or so, I can show you how this kitchen look like. Ayan. Medyo mas malinis na siguro siya mamaya. So, as of now, clean up, everybody clean up. Okay, I'll see you again. Okay guys, so as you can see, my kitchen right now is a mess. Ayan, so mamaya, hopefully, I can make it look better. Ayan, o diba? Ay, nako. Nag-day off ka pa. Pero mas marami ka palang gagawin sa bahay. Pero it's okay. That's mommy's life. Diba, ganun talaga. Yung dalawang anak ko naman, nag-aaral sila online right now. So, ayan. Mamaya, it's gonna be nice, clean, and presentable for tomorrow for Thanksgiving. So guys, finally, I'm done decluttering my kitchen. And of course, I'm done with my refrigerator. So if you can see, my refrigerator is well organized now. I have thrown a lot. Ayan, so organized na siya from the top to the top, then up to the bottom. Ayan. O diba? Okay na siya. Kanina talaga, parang hindi na makahinga yung refrigerator. But now it's okay. So I guess that's it for the day. And I still need to do some cleanup, but that's it for today. I'm tired. Grabe, maghapon. Ito lang yung nagawa ko. Ito lang space na to. Ayan. It's not even done. It's not really done. Done. Ayan. But anyway, I'm glad. So, at least tomorrow, makakapagluto na naman kami dito ng maayos. Kasi Thanksgiving nga pala tomorrow. So, ayan. Happy Thanksgiving, USA. Ayan. So, I guess that's it. And thank you for watching. And make sure to subscribe to my channel. And what else can I say? Please watch my video. And please do like and subscribe. Ayan, thank you so much. Bye everyone. Oh, by the way, ayan, manicure pa ako kahapon. Magkukulkul din pala ako dito sa kusina, but anyway, it's okay. I can redo it later. Bye, guys!